Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. And now today I want to tell you about Shopify, how to open Shopify account and earn money from Shopify e-commerce store. First of all, you want to visit website shopify.com. Shopify e-commerce solutions. Start a free trial now. Fully hosted cloud-based solutions. Grow your business with Shopify, social media integration, mobile commerce ready, 100 plus professional themes. Type create online store, sell on Facebook, buy button online store builder. Now we want to see the Shopify plans and pricing. If you want to see, then go to Shopify. Set up your store, pick a plan later. Try Shopify free for 14 days, no credit card required. Shopify gives us a trial of 14 days with no credit card. It's totally free. If you want to start free trial, then click on the start your free trial now. Let's see the plans. Basic plans or basic Shopify plan, best for new business or online business. New to in-person selling is $29 per month. The next plan is best for growing business with one retail store is $79 per month. Advanced Shopify plan is best for growing business with two retail stores. 2+ retail stores is $299 per month. Let's see more plans of Shopify. Basic plan features: online store includes e-commerce website and blog, unlimited products, yes, available, staff count, staff member with access of Shopify admin and Shopify POS 2, 24/7 support available, sale channels, sell on online marketplaces and social media channel availability vary by country, available locations, up to 4 locations available, manual order creation available, discount code available, free SSL certificates available. Shopify shipping discounts up to 77%. Competitive shipping rates from DHL Express, UPS or USPS, or printing shipping labels available. That's the all of basic plan. We see the plan and all things you know about this. Then I want to show other Shopify Plus, Shopify Lite also plans. If you want to buy basic plan and start earn money for new persons or new business setup, then you buy basic plan. It's a good plan, $29 per month, not a big deal, and in cheap prices. If you want to buy advanced Shopify, it has 2+ retail stores, $299 per month. Shopify Lite plan and Shopify Plus. Shopify Plus, we want to see Shopify Plus. What is Shopify Plus? Shopify Plus, transparent pricing, clear value. The value of your commerce software should be crystal clear, like selling in 90 days for $2,000 a month, kind of clear. So that's starting $2,000 per month or variable fees for higher volume business. That's the Shopify Plus. If you have a long term and business, then you open Shopify Plus. See what other brands are doing. Shopify and other brands are there. Then we come back on Shopify Lite plan. This is the Shopify Lite plan. We see about Shopify Lite. Start your dream business with Shopify Lite for less than price of a movie. 14-day free trial also. Shopify gives you everything you need for just $9 per month. Let's see why it was $80. Copy paste and start selling. Now it's easy. Turn any website into money making business in seconds with buy buttons. Whether you are on WordPress, Squarespace, Tumblr, or anywhere else, with just a few clicks you can turn your website into an online store. Let's see the sample. Accept credit card, anyone, sell all events, fair pop-ups, and anywhere your business takes you. Our point of sale app makes easy to accept payments with your iOS and Android devices. That's also easy. Create invoices, get paid, create wholesale phone or custom order right in Shopify, send invoices directly to your customers and accept payment without any fees. All the power of Shopify. Shopify gives you everything you need to start and grow your business. Tools for entrepreneurs. Get a head start with free podcast, marketing tips, and other resources designed to help your business thrive 24 hours, 7 sports. Get in touch with via email or live chat to speak anyone who knows to start a Shopify store. Stay in synchronized. Shopify app automatically updates orders, products, and inventory across all sales channels, so you don't have to take any chance and learn more about Shopify. What is Shopify Lite? How much it costs? How much it included? That's also Shopify Lite is a plan for merchants who are looking to sell in person or add a play button to their website. That's the Shopify Lite. Shopify Lite costs $9 per month, billing every 30 days. In-person credit card processing rates start at 2.4% per transaction. You can try Shopify Lite for 14 days free. What it included: Shopify Lite includes access to Shopify admin, which you can use manage your business. Shopify Lite plan also includes the buy button and Shopify POS Lite sale channels. You get following features: overview dashboard, finance reported, customer profiles, order management, product management, mobile POS, email cards, QR codes, in-store inventory, gift cards, separate bills, customer discount, and codes, etc. So start selling with Shopify today. Try for free and explore and all tool service Life plan has to offer. If you like my video, then thumbs up guys, like it and share it, and subscribe my channel for more latest online videos. So thank you for watching the video. See you next time. Goodbye.